When you install Operations Manager, you can immediately start monitoring your systems, doing basic monitoring because of the Management Pack libraries and the Management Pack core management packs that are installed with Operations Manager. But to do more detailed monitoring, let's say if I wanted to monitor a SQL database or if I wanted to monitor Exchange, then you would have to import the management packs for SQL or for Exchange. In this section, we're going to take a look at how to import management packs, and then after the management packs are imported, how to tune those management packs by creating overrides or adjusting settings to fit your infrastructure. In this first video, we're going to look at importing management packs. I'm going to cover importing a management pack, how you can either import a management pack, download the management pack to a location on your local hard disk, or you can actually go out to the website and download the management packs from there separately. We'll also look at management pack updates and recommendations, something that's new in the console, and how to create an unsealed management pack from the console. And you would want to create unsealed management packs to store your overrides in whenever you get ready to tune those particular management packs. Now, to import a management pack, the first thing you would do, you would open up the Operations Manager console and click on the administration workspace, and about halfway down, I should say, you'll see management packs. And if you just right mouse click over here, you have three options when it comes to management packs. You can create a management pack. That's how you can just create an empty management pack to store overrides in other, customization. I can download management packs, or I can actually import management packs. So I'm first going to click on the import management packs. And this brings up the import management pack kind of wizard. And you have the option to add. Now, whenever you add, you can say add from catalog or add from disk. Now, if you've previously downloaded a management pack, then you can just say add from disk and then just go out and browse to that location. As a matter of fact, that's what I'll do right now. That way I can just show you how you can actually go in and add a management pack. So if I come back over to my management packs and click download management packs, get a different wizard. The download management pack gives you the same add option, but this time it actually connects to, if your operations management server is connected to the internet, it goes directly to Microsoft Catalog, and you can just type in, let's just say IIS, and click Find. So you can search for all management packs in the catalog. You can search for updates that are available, all management packs released in the past 6 months. So I'm just going to say search all management packs for IIS. Now, if I open up the management packs in this particular catalog, it connects to Microsoft management packs for Windows Server, and I want IIS 2012. And now I see the IIS for 2012 server. It's not installed. Okay. If you do a mouse over, you can kind of, oops, thought you could see a little more. I'll just open it up. There it is. Windows Server 2008 Internet Information Services 8. And it's not installed. This is the version. This is the release date. And I could just click Add and click OK. And it's going to save it to a location that I've created. I created a folder called SCCM MPs, and just click download. And that downloads the management pack to that location. So if I go to that folder, I can see that management pack has an MP file extension. Okay, and I'll come back and use it later. Now, if I right mouse click management packs and click import management packs, same thing, it connects to the catalog online, and I'm able to click add, and I want to add from catalog or from disk. Now if I say add from disk, I can browse to the location where I actually stored the management pack that I just downloaded. Now some of the management packs that you select will have some dependencies, and if those dependencies are missing, then you'll be notified with a red error message, not really error message, but like a red X in the console that the dependencies for that particular management pack are missing. And until you click and get all of the dependencies, you can't import the management pack. I talked about dependencies in a previous video that because of the nature of management packs and how you can take some of the core management packs and add them as like your foundation for creating other management packs, that allows developers not to start from scratch whenever they are creating management packs. So they'll use some of the discoveries that are already in some of your core management packs or other management packs for their own management packs. Now, the best way, because when you use the catalog, it does a dependency check. So the best way to make sure that the management packs are being imported along with all of their dependencies is to search the catalog. So that's what they're asking me right now for the online catalog connection. So would you like to search the online catalog for these dependencies? Now, I'm just going to click no, but typically you would click yes if you have an internet connection. And if I come over to the location that I stored my management pack, now right here I see the red X. That's because I do not have the dependencies for this particular management pack, so I can't import it. So let's go out and find the dependencies. So now if I click add from catalog, and I know one of the dependencies is Windows Server 2012. So let's look for Windows Server 2012 R2. I'm going to do a search for Windows Server 2012 R2. Click search. Again, it brings it up by manufacturer, or vendor, I should say, Microsoft, Windows Server, and this is Core OS. Now you actually see some others for file services, network load balancing, Windows Server Cluster, remote desktop. Well, I want the Core OS, and it's bringing up the discovery and the monitoring from Windows Server 2012 R2. So I'm going to select both so I can do the discovery and monitoring. Now, when I download this, I'll discover that there are some dependencies that go along with these two management packs also, and I'm going to resolve that via the catalog. So I'll click Add. So it's adding both of these management packs, and click OK. And now I have a little yellow warning. And in the warning, it is telling me that the management pack depends on other management packs that are not imported, but they are available. So if I click Resolve, it shows me the management packs that I need. So I actually need the 2012 Discovery, the Windows Server operating system. So I'll highlight all of these, or I could just do it one at a time. When I click Resolve, it's going to resolve and add the dependencies that are needed for this discovery one. So it's showing me the ones that are needed. So I'll click Resolve, and it imported those other management packs. Now I'm still not ready, but I can download all of the management packs that are needed for this particular management pack. Now if I go out there for IIS, and I can try to resolve the one for IIS 8, this one, because I imported it separately, I don't have that ability to do resolve. So that's why it is best to download the management pack through the catalog unless you know exactly the management packs that you're actually looking for. So to find out which management pack is actually missing that's throwing this particular error, you just click the error and it'll tell me that the Microsoft Windows Internet Information Services Core Library management pack is actually missing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this management pack for IIS. I was just showing you that. Okay. And now if I go out to the website and click Add from Catalog, same thing, type IIS. And this time I can resolve any kind of dependencies that are missing. So I'm going to select the same management pack that I had before, add it. I'm yellow, so if I click resolve, I'll see the management pack that's missing, and I'll click resolve again. And now it has all the management packs that I need for IIS. So you see that's the best way to go out. Dependency check will do the work for you when it comes to management packs. So if I click install, now it is going to install those management packs, and it downloaded them, and now it is actually going to import them and install them. Once the management packs have been imported and installed, you'll actually get a little green check mark, and you can just go ahead and close the console. And then once you close the console, you see that my install management packs have gone from like 102 to now 108 because of the ones that I just downloaded and installed. Now you have another method of importing management packs. This is more of a manual method. If you go out to the TechNet Wiki website, you can see the different management packs, and you can actually find your management pack, click on it, and then download it locally. And I'll show you what happens. I've downloaded some to save time. I've downloaded the one for Active Directory locally. So I downloaded the one for Active Directory. It's actually an MSI file. So if I double click it, yes, I trust it. Click Run. Accept the end user license agreement, click next. The location, this is the default location, C program files, x86 System Center Management Pack, and then the actual name of the management pack. And then click next and install. So that installs the management pack, and then from there you can actually come over and import these management packs. So now when I import, I'll come back to the console, click the management packs, and this time when I click import management packs, instead of going from the catalog, I'm going to import from disk. Add from disk. No, I do not want to go online to check for dependencies. Typically I would, but I just do not have an internet connection in this demo, so I'll say no. And I'll browse to the location where I've stored them. I think it was in program files, x86. Management packs, and here's the one for Active Directory. And then you select which discoveries that you actually are going to use. Highlight the ones you want to import, click Open, and this one for 2008 is actually, I need another management pack, so I can't import this one because it's actually missing a management pack. So what you would do, you would just click error, it'll go back out to the internet and download the management pack that you're actually missing. So when I click the error button, I see that it's missing the 2000 discovery and 2003 discovery. So I've actually extracted those, so I'll just go ahead and import those also. So I would come over, add those from disk, and the 2000 discovery and 2003 discovery, those were the two that are missing. So now I have a green check box, and I can just go ahead and click install, and it'll actually install, it'll import them and install them, and you get a green checkbox. And once they've imported, you can just click close. Once I click close, now I see my management pack total has gone up to 114. So the management packs got installed. If I click on updates and recommendations, you can actually just come here and right mouse click any of the management packs, the core operating system for 2016, technical review, IIS 2016, technical preview, Windows 10, Windows 8. You can just right mouse click them and click Get Management Pack, and it'll actually connect to the catalog and get the latest management pack. So you can actually do that for your 2016 Windows 10 and Windows 8 servicing. So that's new as opposed to just getting the management packs one at a time. Lastly, if I just want to create a management pack to store overrides in, I could right mouse click management packs and just click create management pack. Given an ID, a name, a version, and if there were some knowledge articles, I can just add a knowledge article and then click create, and that will actually create a management pack to store my overrides in. And I would create a management pack for each, an override management pack for each management pack that I imported. And I'm calling this one my Windows Server Active Directory Overrides Management Pack. I'll click Next, it gives it a version, click Next, and it'll actually create it. Next on the knowledge article, because I don't have a knowledge article to add. And it actually created that management pack. And if I looked at install management packs, it actually created that management pack. So you see my total went to 115, and it created as an unsealed management pack. So I can actually, and there it is right there. I can actually add components to this particular management pack. This concludes the video on importing management packs and management pack updates and recommendations, along with creating an unsealed management pack from the console. Our next video is we'll look at how to tune these management packs, because once you've installed them, they've already started collecting monitoring information, and we'll see how to kind of tune them and turn them off to create overrides.